Hey everyone, this is Deepika and welcome to day 7 of vocabulary series videos. So far we have learned 30 new words and if you haven't seen them yet, please check out after this video. Before going ahead, let's quickly revise all these 30 words right now. In this video, I am going to share replacement to your daily use words that I am sure I can bet you are using it every single day. Also, this video is going to be very special and important for beginners because this will help them to make their base strong. And also for the fluent speaker because if you are not using these words in your day-to-day life, it's high time guys to give up on your class 4 or 5 vocabulary words. Okay, so without any delay, let's start the video. First word here is famished, which means extremely hungry. What do we normally say? Hey, let's go for lunch. I am hungry or I am very hungry. That's all. Instead, you can say, hey, let's go for lunch. I am absolutely famished. Or, hey, mom, isn't dinner ready? I am famished. We all feel lazy, don't we? So, what can you use instead? You can say lethargy. Lethargy means lack of energy or to feel lazy. How can you use it? You can say the hot weather is making me lethargic, or the reason for my procrastination is lethargy. Next word is under the weather, which means to feel ill, sick, or unwell. Let's say you are having a conversation with your friend and you tell her, hey, can I talk to you later because I am feeling a bit under the weather. Or if you feel that somebody is sounding or looking unwell, you can say, I think you should rest. You are looking a bit under the weather. Moving on, the next word is aggravated, which means annoyed or irritated. Let's take an example. I get so aggravated when I get so many spam every day. Or let's say, I am so aggravated because of this corona situation. The final word is very interesting and I'm sure you are going to love it. It is faffing around, which means to waste time or do something aimlessly. Let's say you want to tell your younger brother or sister to do the dishes or do some work. You can say stop faffing around and do the dishes. Or we can't afford to faff around forever. We all know English is not our first language, but we also know how important English is in today's time, right? And if you are somebody who wants to become fluent in English, you have to give time to yourself. Do not hurry. Nothing happens overnight. Invest time in reading books, invest time in building your vocabulary, talk to people in English, start talking to yourself in front of mirror. That will definitely help. I am not asking you to sound like a native speaker by learning these vocabulary words, but what if the person you are talking to is using those words and you are not able to understand? So it is important that you know this vocabulary word so that you can comprehend that person. You can understand what is he trying to say. You can't open dictionary that time or you can't just Google that word to know the meaning, right? You have to be in that flow. You have to understand what is he trying to tell you. So it is very important that you give importance to vocabulary also and also practice daily. That's all guys. I hope you enjoyed entire vocabulary videos for 1 week. And if you think this content is good and videos are useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Take care.